Hello everyone, welcome to the next video, and my name is Amit, and today I'll tell you some advanced vocabulary words. And as you know everyone, I told you in previous lecture that some interesting words, and today also I'll tell you some interesting words here. And today also we'll do like Hindi to English. So these are the some interesting words that you use in your daily life. So today's first word in Hindi, that's समझदार. जैसे कि समझदार को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? So समझदार को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं sensible. The meaning is sensible. So one word is also that for that, that's sober. Sober means also that समझदार. Sober को भी हम समझदार बोलते हैं. So the second word is पागलपन. That's pagalpan. So what can we say in the English to pagalpan? Pagalpan को हम English में बोलते हैं that's lunacy. So that's called pagalpan. So next word is अगला word है आपका मजबूरी. So मजबूरी को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? That's called compulsion. क्या बोलते हैं? Compulsion. So that's called compulsion. So these are the some words, and last word as I'll tell you, that's भरोसेमंद. अब भरोसेमंद को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? Like वो है भरोसेमंद इंसान है. That's called reliable. What's the meaning of भरोसेमंद? Like भरोसेमंद को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं reliable. So these are the some words, as I hope you get this information very well, and see you safe tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll see you tomorrow and see you in the next video. Then have a good day, take care yourself, bye bye.